Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is my Florida vlog. So I'm gonna start calling them Florida vlogs. Let me pause conscience.
You're nice and clean and you ever look good. No tree not growing on your face and your man too. That you say you're quite alright.
So this morning is Friday, February 1st. So today I am going to West Palm Beach to hang out with one of my day ones, true day ones, Niche and Rika this weekend. We were supposed to be in Fort Lauderdale for the link up, but it got postponed. So instead of canceling our plans totally, we decided that we're gonna link up and just do like a girls weekend. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As I was trying to tell y'all this morning, I am going on a little work, I was about to say work trip, a weekend trip with two of my day ones, Miss Niche and Rika. If y'all active on my channel, y'all know they're always on my channel. So I always tell y'all that I do want to meet y'all. I do want to get, you know, acquainted with y'all. So I've met Rika before. I've never met Niche before, but we've been in contact. And at this moment, we're friends. Like, it's safe to say we are friends. So I'm gonna go link up with my day ones. We're gonna have fun. I'm driving down today, Friday, and I'm coming back on Sunday. So let's go. I'm excited, but I'm so nervous. Like, I'm nervous. I met Rika before, but I'm still nervous. Like, I feel like when people watch me, I'm all like, I wonder if I'm gonna be the same. Like, will they like me when they actually see me in person? You know, I mean, I know they would like me because I'm popping, but you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to leave out right now. It's 5 o'clock. I'm not gonna get there till late, so safe journey, Sade. All right, y'all, I'll check in sometime, but let's go. Day one link up.
Me own alien, na me own alien, so no boy can't style me. Na me own alien, yeah. Me no frightened feelings, me a start to me thing. And me not just some boy cause them replies me drinks. And if me no rate you, me no go run your people. Me no want me no links. Cause me know if you will out. If me can't buy a spliff, much less see buy a drinks.
So guys, I am here. Niche, this is Miss Niche. Yes, hi, Chelsea. Well, you're Niche, hi. Would everybody come on and say hi? Come back to the camera.
No, I think it's a vlog.
It's the vlog. Hi, Chelsea. Hi, Sheep Carla. I call her Sheep. Shelly said we're there. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go Wingstop now because we have to go eat and sing. I'm not gonna carry the camera out the door because it's rain. But we'll soon come. Alright, so we are getting I'll pick up the phone now. Wanna hear me in here, so? So anyway, we just come here for food. Thank you. Alright, so my camera vlog on this. It's what I'm going to put in there? Ratchet. They might chat in my back pocket. Oh, they don't have that machine. You know the machine where you get everything you want. They don't have that one. They got that one. I feel like y'all at a weird angle. Can I take off first? So we're supposed to go on live at 9 o'clock. It's 10 something right now. With live now, see what's till like 10:30. So hopefully everybody's still up. Good morning, guys. So we just wake up and we're gonna rush go pick up Rika now because Rika basically reached and we not left. But time to pick up Rika. Get ready to start. So we rushing. We've come fast. Guys, put me through. But friggin' Erin to keep on a job, but that means I'm pick up the wrong here, so I need to find one ear store. When we get cash. You know, like, every minute we pop out, and I can't buy if you have papi in it. So I'm just take out both of them. Hi, Rika. What you? You will out with the hair now. First stop is the Auto Zone. The Auto Zone, what is it? Yeah. Auto Zone car shop. Start out something. Hey, I was trying to catch you guys up, but the catch up is not working. So Rika the pan found her boyfriend and I be a loving over something going on in here. Love you and loves you too. The man said me not to make him woman. Go look the man. Extra one over. Oi.
So we're going for breakfast, guys. We not on no keto.
Keto bus point.
What?
How could I cast this?
What?
We go out like this. We're going to kill
Early morning with everybody understand. This breakfast spot called First Watch. I don't know if it's anywhere except Florida, but if it is, you need to go check it out. Their breakfast is amazing. Rika, we went there the last time we linked up. The girl whipped up my menu.
I'll be right back with the hot chocolate. How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, be right back.
More drinking iced coffee. Very minimum coffee, ice, or better. So where's the spoon? In here? Yeah. Because this is stressing me out. Oh my god, I love that.
So guys, we are heading out finally. So after we left to get food, we came home, basically just lounging around. Niche did our feet for us, and then we just basically lounged around the house. A lot of crap happened, but like I didn't get to vlog because I didn't have my camera. I went to Walmart. I drew out $60 as cash back, and I left the $60 at the ATM machine. So no, we took forever to come back.
She don't listen. She does not listen. I told her I would take her to the place. Yes, I did. And then I sent her to one specific place to get them lashes. But no, they don't want to listen. They wants to be stubborn, like a mule.
So if you don't know nothing about me, my friend them know, so I'm stubborn. Them just I see the side of it. But I wanted some lashes, guys. And Nisha tell me I forgot the ear store, but me know that the ear store don't sell the lashes them what me want. So she was like, still go look. So I said, alright, I'm gonna go look. Got the ear store, go look. Not my lashes. So I said to Rika, I said we're gonna go to Walmart. So I went to Walmart, I got my lashes, and so I was like, let me pull out cash too, cause you know, whatever. So I pulled out the $60, left out of Walmart, everything, driving home, driving back to Nisha's place, and I was like, Rika, my outfit turned back around. And she's like, what? Guys, I had my wig on. I pulled my wig off because I was so stressed out. And then we turned around. I kept calling the Walmart, no answer. Call, no answer. So when I got there, I told the girl, I was like, I was just at the ATM, the self-checkout. I pulled out $60 and I walked away and left it. And she was like, I saw it. Somebody was about to take it, and I saw, and I took it, and she got it. So I got the $60. I didn't lose the $60.
Walk out of Walmart,
Yo, I'ma say, cause when would I just pull out $60 and go waste it? So now this is one I know message.
Stubborn does.
No, we see what this one I message. I said we last. Jesus Christ, we last. We don't know what we're there.
Girl, people, let me tell you, like, I'm at my door because I have to let them in twice. So I'm at my door looking to see if, you know, they missed the turn.
No.
Missed what turn?
Tell them when we come home, she's still gonna be like,
yeah, no, like when you go get your blood up here and still have wait pound on and social here.
So she still there, never wing them.
Yes.
I and then we finally leave out now.
So then why let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Why is it that I have to be stooping? Like, can you raise the camera?
Because I'm a shot.
Listen,
the camera.
6 feet
Whoa,
tall.
look
Look at
at
this.
this. Look at Whoa. Short people problems. But anyway, we're about to go to Fort Lauderdale right now.
Yes.
And we're going about to have dinner and stuff like that. So,
This late.
Checking back with
it's
you
not late. It's 6
My blood
o'clock.
sugar
It's
done
6:30.
dropped and went back up.
It's
Yeah.
6:30. This is the second time we eating today. Since this morning when y'all saw we had
early,
breakfast. So, yeah, let's go to Fort Lauderdale. Left me gun, ooh la 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 la, fuck y'all for fun, get real money. So what's up? Me no want no man to pressure me. Me no want no man to pressure me as we act. Give me a break. Cause a girl like me, me nah mad, no, me nah mad over no boy. Me nah mad, no, me nah mad over no. You put a pretty like. Tryna go roll the thing, cause you baby girl. Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man a fuck your baby a top class cocky. Jump up in the belly like say you can stop. Everything your ball. Hello. Running at the world. So we don't care if you come and I'm coming out of nowhere. Unroll you in a feel. Then live with a fail and walk up a guard jail. Pop school now give me jail. Father got me thank you for watching over me. Father got me thank you for watching over me. Hey guys, so I stopped into Publix because I'm gonna get some roses for Sandy. I'm not sure if she put this out there. I think I saw it on her Snapchat. If you didn't know, she got into a car accident. So I'm getting her some flowers. I came to West Palm, but since it's close to Fort Lauderdale, I decided I can't come this close and not look for them. So I came down to get Sandy some flowers and just like, so I'm about to stop by their house to drop some flowers off. But I'm trying to pick out some cute ones. I don't know nothing about buying flowers, to be honest. And some of them flowers that just look dead in the bombards. So I actually don't know. But if you didn't know such flowers expensive, like, I never know. But they're cute though. Let me show y'all. Them here with the I don't know why Publix have them, but this one is my favorite one right here. But I know Sandy, what's Sandy's favorite color again? I don't even know. I know Samantha is yellow. To me, Sandy, I don't know. This more looks like Sandy to me. This one right here. Oh, shit. So guys, I got these. These are pretty as well. And I'm gonna get a balloon and a card and a vase. But should I put water in the vase? How does that work?
Then we'll put water.
Okay, okay. Don't it come with like a packet in it? Oh, okay. The packet is in it to keep it fresh. So that's good. And I'm here with Rika. Hey. I just pulled up at Sammy and Sandy. They don't know who it is. Who is it? Who is it? Hi. Smell like seafood.
What's up? Sexy. Roll like a chicken.
Hello.
Hi. You roll like a chicken.
Hi, Sandy.
Good day.
Here you
Oh,
go.
you're so sexy. Hello. Hello. I'm going to say hi to the vlog. Hi. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stuff I like putting my flowers on.
Hi, Samantha. You want me to put you on the vlog?
Tell me when I do a pesto.
Hi. Hi, Maggie.
Look like a chicken.
Hi.
I want to snap my
So,
flowers.
we reached. Give me Red Lobster. I got this. It's a margarita. Rika did get one Bahama Mama and she sent it back in another kind of in there. But she got a sangria. What did you get?
Virgin.
A virgin pina colada?
Yes, because I'm a virgin.
Okay, so our salads came out. And yeah.
I'm drinking my tea.
Our server is mean, but I tell him to have a pair of mine. But it's literally just a pair of mine.
I don't want to put no food yet, guys.
Yeah, I don't want to spend no food. So I'm not pair of mine and
This leash they want to kill her.
they are not pair of mine, man.
This leash they and Rico want to rinse her out.
It's a broth and a floss.
Money look a bit.
Our money look good.
Only one to keep her, because
But anyway, like I've been saying before, we're at Red Lobster.
just one to keep her.
I got the coconut shrimp and I got the Alfredo, the linguine Alfredo. And that's it. I don't know why I got it, you know, because I'm not really a Red Lobster fan. But we'll see if I'll eat it. I probably will eat it. And I'm drinking my drinks. It's my favorite thing.
Like seriously? This girl gonna order the whole damn thing just to eat the croutons.
You know, all that cool.
Yes, you never eat out like
And she ate the worst thing out of the whole damn salad.